A popular cupboard staple is just the ticket for banishing mold and mildew from the hidden depths of your washing machine, according to experts. Many popular household appliances can be prone to mold and mildew, such as dishwashers, washing machines and even sinks. The seal of a washing machine is a common place that can be hit with a bacteria buildup, which can lead to bad odors from the machine and also on your clothes, reports The Express. Now, thanks to the experts at appliance brand Beko, UK households now have a guide on how to keep their washing machines sparkling clean, free of mold, and also how to make the machine last longer. The experts said, to keep your machine's rubber seals free from mold and mildew, use a damp cloth and soapy water. Carefully wipe around the rubber seals, making sure you do not lift the seals away from the metal. If any dirt remains, use a toothbrush to scrub the surface. So, there it is, the main eradicator of mold and mildew in a washing machine is washing up liquid, which is a simple and easy purchase. You can grab a bottle of the household staple from places like Asda, 70p, and Morrison's, 75p, but the cheapest bargain is at Tesco for just 69p. Some washing machines do have a self-cleaning option, that can also get rid of bacteria buildup and potential mold spores. To allow air to be ventilated into the drum of the washing machine, you should leave the door open after a cycle. If it is closed, it keeps the damp air in and allows bacteria to thrive. You should also be making sure that the filter on the washing machine is being cleaned on a regular basis. As the experts said, we suggest once every 3 months, or whenever it becomes clogged. The filter, located on the bottom right-hand side of your machine, protects the drain pump from potential damage from foreign objects during the discharging of water, like coins or buttons. Your detergent drawer should also be cleaned at least every 4 to 5 washes, in order to cut down on detergent buildup. This buildup makes it harder for the cleaning products to make it to the drum and clean your clothes. To clean the drawer, make sure the appliance is turned off, remove the drawer, and wash in warm water. To reach underneath the drawer, you could use a toothbrush to get to those nooks and crannies. It is also important that you get rid of the wet clothes from a washing machine as soon as your cycle is finished, so bacteria doesn't have a chance to grow. For the exterior of the machine, just wipe a damp cloth over it to remove dust and any stains, and use a clean, dry towel to get rid of any excess moisture. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice newsletter here.